Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. I'm warning headphone users. Yeah.
I'm on Fame Booster for the first time.
Yay! Yay! Oof. Okay, so I'm so scared because whatever. Okay, so I haven't opened up like my piggy bank in like the longest time. 56 minutes left. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, we're almost level 15. Let your fingers hurt me fine. I almost. Okay. Let's just claim all that. Oh my god. Ooh. I'll like do it all blonde. Oof, that's pink. Yep. All blonde and so definitely that. That. So yeah. Okay, we're back and Lily Cutie what freak. Okay, I got stuck. I'm sorry guys, I'm really fat. No, I'm just kidding. So she just sent me her hair. I'm gonna send her something back. Yeah. And we'll get to this girl sooner or later. Oh, does she know what's in store for her? I might as well. Thank you. I really want her to make a YouTube channel. She'll probably be so good at it. Oh. I'm pretty sure this is. Yeah. That's rare, I'm pretty sure. If it's not, she'll give it back. And, hon, look. You're on YouTube. Ooh, I did that on all caps. Who the heck is Luke Adidas? Luke Adidas. Something else. Oh, you know. Oh, maybe it's that. I wonder why she's giving this guy greets. Who knows? She said she's gonna give me mine, but like I'm waiting. If she doesn't, it doesn't really matter. Anyways, I'm gonna go in the VIP room. Like, get some, like, greats, maybe? Recording and on Fame Booster. Recording on a Fame Booster. Please sing greets and autos. I'm broke. Girl, if you don't get your fluffy wing out of my freaking face. Ooh. Your wig? Snatched. Okay. Whatever, it's fine. $200. Oh my gosh, thanks. Thanks so much. It means everything. The ASMR got you shook. Oh yeah, Mr. Crops. Well, yeah, that's it for this video. If you guys liked it, then make sure to subscribe. Yeah. So the little icon thing will be over here to subscribe, I'm pretty sure. And click this newest video over here if you did like that. If not, fine. But bye guys, love y'all.